Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to recover your hair from bleach, color, or any heat damage. So I'm gonna start on dry hair and I'm gonna show you all the products that I'm gonna use, and all the products will be listed in the description if you want to get them. Now I'm gonna start by spraying water on my hair and detangle my hair. Then I'm gonna apply my deep conditioner, and I'm gonna keep detangling and make sure that every strand of my hair is covered by my deep conditioner. Once all my hair is covered, I'm simply gonna take a shower cap and just put it on. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of heat to make sure the deep conditioner is getting into my hair faster. So basically I didn't really have time, so instead of sitting there for 30 to an hour, I just use low heat on my hair. Then it's time to wash your hair, and I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture product. So basically I'm gonna use the Restore shampoo with Jamaican black castor oil. And I'm gonna detangle after, and then I'm gonna use my conditioner plus the Ultra Restore from L'Oreal, and I'm gonna leave it down for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse my hair and dry them a little bit and directly apply my nourishing lotion, the Shea Moisture Smoothie, onto my hair. And I don't want to apply any more heat to my hair right now, so I just want to let my hair air dry. And I'm gonna get ready. Then you're gonna want to add a little bit of curl activating cream. So basically any styling cream or gel. I used Cantu curl activating cream. Then you can style your hair as you want. I'm going to use my satin elastic to have a perfect sleek puff. And of course, I know a lot of people use shoelace, stuff like that, but I have an elastic which is with satin. It doesn't break your hair, it doesn't put too much tension on your roots, and it's perfect for puffs, for all size puffed. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.